Alright guys, we got a 2012 Honda Accord right here. Customer came in, straight to the broker key. So I'm gonna do a copy, okay? If I'm successful with it, I won't be able to do the all lost keys thing on this. So we got a mobilizer, Honda, USA, and this is Accord 2012. Enter the key, turn the console. Okay, so we're gonna enter the old key. It's kind of broken, but it's, oops. Bear with me here, guys. Okay, so that didn't work, so we're gonna just do the all keys lost. All right, we put in the new key in already. Put it in. All right. Insert the key, turn console on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and erase all the keys. Yes. Number of keys to program 1. Enter. Turn ignition off. Okay. Turn ignition on. Okay, please wait. Connecting. Turn ignition off. Okay. Turn ignition on within 10 seconds. Okay. As you guys can see, the security light is flashing. Okay. Turn ignition off. Okay. Turn ignition on. Okay. As you guys can see, the security light turned off already. Okay, so it's programmed already, but we still have to follow the instructions. Turn ignition on. So basically this is all it's telling you. Turn it off, turn it on. If the warning light on the console is blinking, repeat the processor because of key error. Okay, so it's off already. The security light is off, so the key was programmed. So now we go ahead, turn the car off. Disconnect our computer. Try on our key, see if it turns on. You guys watch the security light. Perfect. Awesome, and it works. So that's how you do an all keys lost for a Honda 2012. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel.